If you want to type plus sign on HP laptop, there are several ways. If you are using Microsoft Word, then you just need to click here on the Insert tab, and at the right hand side you will see the option of Advanced Symbols. Just click on this option and you will see this symbol window. You just have to locate the plus sign here and then click on Insert. So this is the one method, and other method is a keyboard shortcut. Look at your keyboard, the plus sign is available here. It's beside the backspace button. However, notice that if you press this button, equal to sign appears, because this is a primary button for equal to and secondary for plus sign. So to type the plus sign, you need to press and hold the shift button. After pressing and holding the shift button, just press equal to on your keyboard to get the plus sign. For some reason, if this both methods doesn't work, just go to the Google and type plus sign. You will see several signs here. You can just copy paste any one of the sign from the web browser and paste it into the document like this. So that's how you can type plus sign on HP laptop using the three methods. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to laptop keyboard. See you again in the next one.